going to give on the lecturate topic changing equation of West Asia and India's balancing it. So the major, as you have all known about the West Asian region, it comes under the strategic geopolitical location where many of the dispute has been rising day by day. Talking about the Israel-Hamas war and also the Israel-Iran war and the USA-Iran war. Talking the root causes of the war and what led to the situations. So there is mainly the religion case where Israel and Hamas are going through, and also about the nuclear developments, enrichment of uranium in the Iran region, which is proposing a major threat to the whole world. So there are also, as we all know, problem arises in everybody's life and in also many aspects. It's up to us how we handle it and how we balance it. So talking about the main aspects of the solutions that India possesses it, like we can take the example of IMEC, India Middle East Economic Corridor, where India proposes its major ties with the European countries and enhances economy to stabilize them, and also Israel, which is a West Asian country, tries to make good relationship with India. So talking about the recent helps and aids that India has supported through IMEC as various supplement and also through goods and services. So talking about the solutions of it, that what India could propose in this growing world, India could maintain an inclusive mindset with each and every country and have a good relationship with everybody, neither inclining towards any wrong decision or in anything. India could maintain a better and good relationship with everybody. Talking about the major disputes that recently the USA and Iran case, where USA has bombed the various areas of Iran and also which destroyed many lives. So it proposes a great threat to humanity also. As a good human being, we should maintain diplomacy and also discuss about the growing conflicts in the global level, and also together we could unite and also make solutions for these growing problems. At last, before concluding my speech, I want to say this much, that together we stand, together we fall, all for one, one for all. Thank you.